So, let's talk about unity. Napakasarap isipin na belong ka sa isang grupo na may tinatawag na unity. Yung kumbaga, you are guys working as one. Sarap sa pakiramdam nun. And sabi nga, teamwork makes the group really works. So, unity, napakalamahagay nun. If you are united as one, or you have the same goal as everyone has, yung effort, yung idea, and all the actions that you can do are in one. Kumbaga, ang tutulungan at naghihilaan pataas, hindi naghihilaan pababa. So, napakaganda na kapag ganun yung system ng grupo. Why it is important that we have this thing in our life. So, imagine that andun lahat yung members ng isang organizations, and example, merong nahati yung grupo, diba? Sa isa sa left, isa sa right. So, there's no progress. Kasi, sayang magkahiwalay yung goal nyo. Sayang din yung mga resources and ideas kasi hindi mabubuo kasi parehas kayong magkahiwalay. So, dapat, as a group, you are in the same directions, magkasundo, magkaisa, kung ano yung layunin, doon lang papunta lahat. Hindi tataliwas, hindi tatalikod, isa lang yung pupuntahan na direction. Now, when you look at it, mas madaling makapunta sa isang direction na pupuntahan kapag isa lang yung direction natin, walang tumataliwas. When it comes to unity, di ba kung makikita niyo po yung dance troupe na ang ganda ng galaw, isa lang yung movements, pero kapag merong isang hindi energetic or merong isang tugma yung step, pansin agad. Di ba makikita agad? So, therefore, para as a group, as an organization, ganun din. Para tayo isang dance troupe na pag merong isang hindi align yung steps, hindi tugma yung step, napapabagal yung progress, natatamaan yung grupo. So, napaka-importante that you work as one. So, kahit tingnan mo yung Lego, different Lego, example na lang natin Lego, different design, different shapes, pero yung Lego na yun, pag pinagsama mo yun, ang ganda-gandang tingnan, they look brilliant, na hindi mo ma-imagine na kanya-kanyang shape, pero kapag sa ganung klaseng bagay na pagbuo mo yun, na pagsama-sama mo yun, para mabuo yung isang image, yung figure, napakagandang tingnan. So, maraming bagay na marami tayong ma-achieve, mga bagay na pwede maging result when we have unity. Imagine that, kapag in-apply mo yan sa life natin, we are so close, bounded together. We work as one. And the movement is one, the unity, there is a unity, so there is a good and very best result. So, if you are part of the organization and you lead the organizations, you need to learn how to apply the word called unity. Thank you everyone, and God bless.